Hi everyone, ever wondered what you've look like in an anime world? Today I'll show you how to turn your videos into a stunning anime art using Domo AI. Let's get started. First, go to Domo AI app and you don't need to download anything. You can also create a free account or log in if you already have one. Then on the dashboard, look for the option that says Video Anime Transformation or Video or Anime AI Video. Click it. This is where the magic happens. Now you'll upload your video clip. Keep it short, around 5 to 10 seconds, works best for quick processing. You can use your selfie video, a landscape video shot, or even your pet. Then, pick your anime art style. You can go for classic anime, cyberpunk, fantasy, or even studio inspired looks. Select one you'd like, then hit convert. Once your anime video is ready, download it directly to your device or share it straight to your socials. It's fast, fun, and looks incredible. And that's it. You just turned your video into anime art using Domo AI. Try it out and drop your anime creation in the comments below. And take note that this feature is only applicable to a Domo AI Pro. So make sure to buy or upgrade your version app. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.